In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check if WhatsApp is linked to another device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But go ahead and open up WhatsApp first and tap settings down in the bottom right and then tap link devices up at the very top. This page is going to show you any phones, computers, browsers, or tablets currently connected to your WhatsApp account. If you see a device you recognize like your own computer or tablet, you can leave it connected. If you see a device that you do not recognize, tap on it and then choose log out or remove device, and this will disconnect that device from your WhatsApp account. For extra security though, you can go back to your main settings though and select account up at the very top right here. And what I'd recommend doing is enabling two-step verification right here. Turn it on, create a PIN, and this will help, stop someone from linking or accessing your WhatsApp account again without permission. It's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.